let's draw a cube below eye level. Let's have a nice high horizon, nice and light. In the first 20 seconds, we want to have all the parts. It won't be perfect, but we can have all the parts. So there we go. I think that's about 15 seconds, but we have the horizon, we have the front vertical, we connect to the right vanishing point and the left vanishing point in either sequence. Then we add the two side verticals, and then we connect the top left to the right vanishing point. We connect the top right to the left vanishing point. There's the 20-second start. Notice how very light that is. Now we 1, 2, 3s. So we want that to go right to that spot, right to the vanishing point, exactly to there. And we want it to go here. We're connecting 2 points, so we can turn the paper, we can turn our body. We want it to go right to those vanishing points. So when I draw the examples on the Learning Glass Studio, this is what you'll be working on. Newsprint paper like this. So you won't be drawing on glass. So this one's a little too wide. See, that's about right. This one, so I can shave this in. I can bring that in and over. See, it's so light, it's so changeable. See what I just did right there? I got rid of that. And that's going to be right there. Check for verticals. I have probably about 2 minutes left, or a minute and a half left, to bring this to solidity, but not too much solidity, because we're going to add and carve into these things. But let's bring it to going a little slower, a little more deliberate now, because all that work has taken place and the whole thing is emerging together. I'm drawing all 9 lines at the same time. You can bring a string out and you can check it. This is objective. That's just for checking yourself. We don't want to rely on the string to draw. We're training our eyes and hands to do that. But we can use the string to be an objective tool to measure what we're drawing. This is an objective process. It's called object drawing. We're learning to draw objects. Now, if we're going to, that's the cube below eye level. And look, if we want to make it, turn it around, suddenly, oh, it's a cube above eye level. See our eye levels down here? We can see in underneath that. And let's do the cube below eye level. We're up above here, so we can see on the top of that. When the cube is on eye level, that eye level's in the middle, and we see these 2 sides, but not the top. We can see the top because our eye level's above it. So when we add the door and window, or the H, or the stairs, or the chubby table, we want to start with something like this that's not too permanent. So don't bring it to this level of finish until the door and window are on there, or until if you do the drawer, or if you do the stairs, don't bring it to this level of darkness. Keep it about here. See, it's dark enough to see, but it's light enough to change. And what we don't want to do is we don't want to draw like this for this, because we don't want to be out here, okay, I'm drawing like this. That's not correct for this drill. And that's what this is. It's a drill. That kind of drawing could be art, it could be good for something else, but for object drawing we need these plastic lines like this.